Action.
Hi people. How are you all? Unfortunately, we are hit by this COVID-19. I hope you guys are enjoying this quarantine holidays and spending time with your family. But I'll suggest few safety precautions by the World Health Organization, and also according to me, which are very much useful for getting rid of this coronavirus by spreading from one person to another person. I- y- for me, the safety precautions what I suggest would be, please wash your hands with a soap or any kind of a liquid hand wash. What I suggest, use these kind of a liquid hand wash, which would be very much useful for not getting this virus to your hands or something. But because hands are the major thing which will touch wherever whatever the parts we are, whatever the parts on the body, so that it can spread out. While washing your hands, please carefully see the movement. Take a liquid hand wash or a soap or something with a little bit of water, and please rub it to your palm entirely up to 20 seconds. Once you are done with your palm, please turn your hand backside, and please apply the soap or something in the gap near the fingers, so that your entire hand backside should be covered. And please also wash your nails with not wash your nails, please apply the soap or something in your hand, and also rub your nails, so that that soap can be going to your nails, and your wash your entire hand till your wash your entire fingers or something till your wrist. And after that, once we are done with your hand, please wash your entire elbow till the soap should be according till the elbow, so that you will be carefully neat and clean. Once you are done with that, please also apply a hand sanitizer, which is an alcohol based liquid. World Health Organization also suggested these kind of an hand sanitizer, which is alcohol based liquid, whenever you can apply, when you do not have any sufficient soap or a water capability nearby you. And also you can apply, once you are done with your washing with your hands, you can also apply this. It is a safety precaution. And you can also use a tissue paper while coughing and while sneezing, so that your germs and bacteria should be covered in it. And please, once you are done with your coughing and using with the tissue, please try to dispose it in a closed dustbin, so that the germs and bacteria couldn't spread to the other people. And if your tissue is not available with you, please try to sneeze or cough it, so you can keep your hand like that, so that entire germ or something, it will be accumulated on your hand. Once you reach your home, please wash your hand carefully, and unnecessarily do not touch your face, nose, eyes and ears, so that unknowing to your knowledge, the virus can spread to you. It's better you keep yourself hygienic, stay hygienic, take a good bath, and also use a face mask while you are going out. What I suggest is, please stay at home. So stay at home, spend time with your family, eat whatever you want. Please eat home food. Use water to take a bath, and try to eat more number of fruits, so that it can give you vitamins. And also try to have a bath, 3 to 4 times, so that you'll be staying hygienic. And also I suggest few articles or few PDF files or the valid World Health Organization website in your video description, so that you can use it and you can see the more precautions you can find. And I hope your people would be safe. Be safe, try safe, and do not spread this virus to your neighbor people. And please be at home. Thank you for watching, and I'll also thank you for watching this video. And I also suggest, and I also thank few doctors, not few doctors, all the doctors, police people and GHMC people who are working for us continuously day and night. And I also want to salute to them and give a round of applause for them, so that they have done a lot of things for us, for keeping us safe. And please, our Modi government has locked down for that 21 days, which going up to April 14th. So please be at home and try to eat good food. Spend time with your family, and be home, be safe. Thank you.